Good morning to one and all who are present over here. It's a great opportunity for us to present our VSME success story during last year. I'm representing Haritha Seating System. It's a part of TVS Group company, having 5 plants across India with a capacity to produce 1 million seats per annum. We provide seating systems and solutions for commercial vehicles, off-road, tractor, and bus passenger segment. This is our esteemed customer profile. We cater to all the major OEMs as well as the state transport undertakings. The CEO, along with the top management, has realized the necessity and need to improve to meet the increasing customer demand. On the other hand, we have to sail through the fluctuating customer demand, also accommodating inadequate responsiveness from the supply chain. This has led to our decision to embark on the VSME journey during last year. The key objective of our VSME journey is to transform the win-win relationship. We did follow 2 principles. One is the do, demonstrate, as well as transforming organization using snowball concept. We casted our first snowball during last year by selecting tractor seat assembly line as the model line, wherein we are supplying to TAFE. He is the single source to us. We are a single source to TAFE, and this product contributes to 15% of the overall sales. We also selected 4 suppliers for VSME implementation from fabrication and upholstery commodity. I would like to summarize the results in 3. One is we won the Best Supplier Award from TAFE during last year, and we have also achieved intangible results by improving the tie relationship between customer and Haritha as well as with our suppliers. For example, Mr. Kumara Devan, who is the plant head of TAFE, met our president in an airport and then given a very positive feedback on Haritha's ability to meet TAFE's fluctuating requirements using VSME approach. On the other hand, the suppliers of Haritha who have underwent last year's journey have given a positive feedback, expressed their pleasure to go through the systematic and methodic approach during, to improve their competitiveness. The tangible results are we have improved our delivery performance to our customer from 18% to 81%. This is on time and in full quantity. The productivity has gone up by 50% from 1.99 seats per employee per hour to 2.95 seats per employee per hour. The line efficiency has improved from 59% to 75%. These results would not have been possible without the involvement of our employees and the top management. The project members have always given a focus to make buy-in from the employees as well as the top management. This is a result of the T2 companies who have participated during last year, wherein JIT Auto Component is one of the suppliers who have achieved the highest result to an extent of 441% productivity improvement during last year. I would like to give a brief introduction about him. He is a manufacturer of sheet metal pressed and fabricated parts supplying to Haritha, Ashok Leyland and BEML with a turnover of 50 million per annum. On Haritha's perspective, we have selected JIT Auto Components since he is a potential supplier for development with the right attitude, and he was desperate for survival by improving his performance and to avoid declining sales. So the CEO was scouting for guidance from all his customers. On JIT's perspective, considering the business potential, he has gone in for a business enhancement in the year of 2011. Surprisingly, he has noticed his sales started coming down. So he had a huge financial burden wherein on one side he has gone for an expansion, on the other side the sales started coming down, primarily attributed to the poor performance to the customers and his incompetitiveness towards business. If at all, if the CEO has not realized this and taken no action, he would have ended up doing only 10 million per annum. So it is a time wherein Haritha has decided to go for VSME implementation. We started off our flow-based improvement in the year May 2012. We have followed two principles for T2 implementation. One is do, demonstrate, and support instead of the traditional order, instruct, and check methodology. We also have focused on community building rather than cluster approach. Throughout the VSME journey, the Haritha has led from the front by implementing any new tools and achieving results. Afterwards, we have called all suppliers, demonstrated to them the new tools which we have implemented, and then showed them the results, which has motivated them to follow whatever the implementation which we have done. We did not stop at that point. We have also gone into an extent of supporting the suppliers throughout the journey, wherein our plant head, our functional heads, our project members used to visit the suppliers and take part in their implementation, helping them addressing whatever the hurdles that they have in the implementation. The second key principle is community building, wherein it gives an opportunity for the suppliers for a cross-learning by benchmarking the best practices. It also helps them to utilize their resources across all suppliers. The third most important point is that when a new person visits a company, he always have a different point of view towards improvement. We call it as unconventional angle. A brief introduction to what the improvements that has been done at JIT Auto. This illustrates the material flow. The blue lines indicates the material flow, and the green line indicates the space which he was occupying for value adding for the selected model line part. The issue which he had was uncontrolled inventory at everywhere, too many transshipments, a too longer travel, which hampers the smooth flow of material. This is the results, the material flow and the space mapping after the VSME implementation, wherein you could see 2/3 of the space has been utilized for new businesses. He could handle the entire volume within 1/3 of the space, and his material distance traveled has reduced significantly. So just a snapshot. The red line indicates the space which he was utilizing for value addition before implementation, and the green line indicates the space used for after implementation, wherein he has implemented a single piece flow forming a U flow for the fabrication, welding, chipping, and then inspection and the packing online. 71% reduction on space and 78% reduction on distance traveled. The tangible results for him, the delivery performance has improved from 23% to 89%, and he has also had a significant productivity improvement from 2.7 components per employee per hour to 14.7 components per employee per hour, 441% improvement. The line efficiency has improved from 73% to 78%. His improvement has also resulted in improving his performance to Haritha. His delivery performance gone up from 23 to 89, and his quality performance has improved by reducing defects ppm from 2800 ppm to 889 ppm. So the Haritha has now taken a task of improving his business with Haritha. We are now started loading new components to him. We have also appointed JIT as the demonstrator for the next year diffusion among all other suppliers. So the results which we have achieved both at Haritha as well as at JIT Auto Components has motivated us to continue the journey. So we have selected 8 more suppliers during current year, 4 more new lines for deployment. By end of financial year 15, we will have all lines within Haritha to the new methodology of VSME, and we will also be deploying to all the 36 suppliers of us onto the new methodology. So we have already started our implementation, and this is the team which is taking forward our journey to improve competitiveness of Haritha as well as our suppliers to create a win-win relationship. Thank you again for the opportunity. Thank you.